Police were called to Dollar General for a man in the bathroom over an hour. They found him hiding in the ceiling.
Still in there?
Yep, still in there.
This way?
Yeah, I'll give you a 2 in just a second.
Did he just go in there?
That was like over an hour ago.
Sheriff's office! Open the door!
Yeah, yes.
Step back. Sheriff's office, open the door, man. Huh? Open the door. Alright, you can go ahead and open it. Sheriff's office, man. Yes, it is. Are you in the roof? Get down. Get down. Huh? I can't hear you, man. I cannot hear you. What? What's your name, man? 380. He's climbed up in the roof. Do you have a ladder or some way to get up there?
Yeah, I can grab one from the back.
Yeah, if you don't mind. Hey, man, it's the sheriff's office. I just need you to come down so I can talk to you. Huh? Where are you at?
Is he up there?
I hear him, but I can't see him, and obviously can't look up there. I haven't written this down.
Hey! Sheriff's office! Get down! We're not going anywhere. Was that already open like that?
I don't know.
They got like a burden or something?
They've got, he's going to get a mop, or a ladder. That's a mop. But if you open that, that's how I'm assuming he climbed up there. I think he's that way.
Brought the gentleman a Pinot Noir or grease.
Bring that bladder here.
Which one? Let's go with this one. Would you want to pursue charges for the criminal mischief?
Fuck yeah.
How much damage is that?
What's he done so far?
Broken the... Come on out for me. I just need to know.
Yeah,
For breaking the tiles.
Breaking the tiles, I don't know how much they cost, but it's a pain in the ass. We gotta get it fixed.
Yeah.
I'll call my manager and ask him.
Hold on, let me out.
Yeah.
Just hold it. I'll climb up there. Yeah, that's good.
Have you done? Oh, he broke this as well.
Hey! Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands.
Can you see his hands?
Let me see your hands. Where's the other? Let me see it. I don't see it. What do you mean you're stuck? Get your ass down. Come on. Let's go.
You better hurry your ass up. We're going to come yank you down.
Let's go. Let me see your other hand. Your other hand. What's in your hand? Okay, I ain't worried about a fucking Reese's, okay?
Damn.
Let's go. Climb down. I don't give a shit about your drugs you got up here or whatever. Just get the shit down. That's why you don't want to show me your fucking hand. Get down. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
Is he zeroed with anything other than a Reese's?
Not that I can see.
Alright, well I'm about to just come yank him. You better come down or I'm gonna yank your ass down.
Blade right there in your fucking pants. Pull that blade out of your pants and toss it. No, you didn't. Stand up so I
Think
can
it'll work?
see. Stand up so I can see. Let's go. Let's go. Get down. Get down!
If you want a holster, I'll just grab him.
Come on over here.
He'll come down.
I don't really know what he has on him.
That's alright.
Let's go. Come on. You got up there. You can get the fuck down. Right here. Walk over and get down.
Listen, man, we already asked you. I'm gonna yank you down if you don't put one foot on this ladder right now. Come on. Hurry up. Hurry up or I'm gonna grab you. Come on. Quit fucking playing then, dude. Come on. You'll come down one way or another. Give me your hand. Get the fuck down. Let me walk down. Don't play. He got lost. Alright, let's go, man. Come on. I don't care what it is, man. Huh? No, you're going to jail. What do you mean? Because you busted up their roof. I got it. Y'all can stay 10-8, find something more entertaining.
What you say all over?
Trespassing
Nothing, man.
is
Don't listen to that.
No, that's where I live.
I don't care. Here,
What's this all about?
I'm gonna search them real quick before we get too far.
I'm telling you, bro. I got proof. I got proof, bro. You hear me? Sir, I got proof. I'm not just on drugs. You need to hear me out. You need to hear me out.
I already gave you your chance. You didn't want to talk. You wanted to play games.
Go down. That's it.
Elvis Presley coin.
Yeah, you let me go out. You keep it.
No. I don't give a shit about your Elvis Presley coin.
31403.
Do you have anything that you found?
Not. Yeah, if you want to just make sure, because you got gloves on.
Don't worry about your pants right now. I still got to check all your 50 million pockets, boss.
Frank 22.
Nothing.
You think I take your word for it?
I'm just saying.
Okay, well, I appreciate you telling me. What, you want spice?
No, hell no. Hell no. I'm fucking.
No, that's not spice.
No.
Alright. Let's put him in my Tahoe and I'm going to get all of his information. You see how my back seat is empty? So when we get to the jail, it's going to remain empty, right?
Maybe.
Huh?
Maybe.
Alright, anything that's back there you're getting charged with. Just letting you know.
I'm just saying. I got it on this.
Therefore, is the reverse advisor making very threats
Got some white powder.
to the West Park Pavilion?
This here's his knife. These are just burnt, so there's nothing in them.
I don't need that thing.
There is white powder.
Where was it?
Up there where he was.
I'm just going to put it all in for destruction. It's going to get thrown out anyway because he wasn't in direct possession. I'm just going to charge him with criminal mischief.
Willie was charged to 5 offenses including possession, criminal mischief, trespassing, resisting arrest and thief. He posted $4,150 in bonds and his case is still ongoing.